Today, we're taking a short city drive through the heart of Jakarta, from central Jakarta to Senayan. In our night drive, we will see high-rise buildings of bustling business district to the beautiful small unknown streets, Jakarta public transport, and finally we will see luxurious Senayan. You will love to see the night view. And our first stop will be Jakarta Central, and we are going to Central Park Mall. There are many famous malls, but I like this one. From world-renowned fashion brands to local designer collections, discover the latest trends and timeless styles under one roof. Many high-rise buildings around, and you will be amazed from the first impression of Jakarta. Let's start our driving tour, starting off Jakarta Central. We pass towering office buildings and the city's ever-moving traffic. The skyline of Jakarta unfolds around us, blending modern urban life with classic Indonesian charm. During office hours, Jakarta roads, the traffic is little slow, so you have taken care while planning for daily activities. Just a few more turns, and we will reach at our destination. There are many shopping malls and food street options. We have reached our final destination, the elegant Senayan City. So relaxing and beautiful, right in the heart of the capital. Now I am sharing some drone shots of the night view.